Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to see who shared your reel on Instagram. So, let's get into it. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the Reels tab to see all your posted reels. Now, find the reel you want to check and tap on it. Once it's open, tap on the View Insights option located at the bottom. Here, you'll see various metrics about your reel, including the number of shares. Now, here's the important part. Instagram doesn't show the specific users who shared your reel due to privacy reasons. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.